Vroom, 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 vroom.
Right? So, what are we doing, Xander?
We have weather stripping and the window knobs.
Oh, we finally got the right ones in. Good,
Yeah,
good.
we have 4 of them. And then let's see. Convertible pillar post.
Right?
We have door for the door one. Firewall to hood.
Right?
Front of door window seals.
Right?
So the big kit right here. This is convertible top.
Okay.
And this is what I'm going to be doing with the trunk.
So, while he's doing that.
And a mirror.
And a mirror.
Side mirror.
Yeah, well, we've got to get that one painted yet, so.
Yeah, this one's just...
I still like that gray, though, even if it's just primer.
I like I didn't like the color of this car, like when I first started working on it.
Right.
Now I love it.
Oh, yeah, this car is so easy to fall in love with. So, we'll get everything taken care of. Get the seals done. We'll back it up so that we can work on it. So me and Xander get lucky enough to be in here today in car storage heaven. So
Mustang.
yeah.
That's it right now.
Yeah. So short video, but yeah, this is what we're going to be working on. We'll do the little bit that we've got for today to keep us motivated and moving until lunchtime. And then we're going to probably do chicken wings.
Can't wait for lunch.
Yeah, those came out really good yesterday. So I'll make another big batch for everybody. All right, guys. On that note, see ya.